Hello, fuchsia, futile, futile, futility, furore, furor, fuselage, fusillade, fugacious, frugivore, frugivorous. Welcome back, English pronunciation learners, to another lesson of practice your English pronunciation. Let's improve the enunciation of these English words and try to study them in terms of phonetics and also word enunciations. The first word is fuchsia. Fuchsia. This word has got two syllables. Fuchsia. The first syllable few, that's the stress. We put the stress there. We say fuchsia. What's a fuchsia as a noun? It's a garden with colored hanging flowers, which is called fuchsia. Fuchsia, a disyllabic word, stress on the first syllable, few. The second word is an adjective, pronounced in two ways. We say futile or futile. Both are correct. I would prefer the first one, say futile. And this word has got also two syllables, few, long o, and tile. Stress on the first syllable, few. What's futile? It means useless or fruitless, without use. That's futile. Fuchsia, futile. The third word is the noun futility. Futility. It's a four-syllable word, but the stress on the second syllable T with short E we say futility. The adjective is futile or futile. The noun is futility. Stress on the second syllable T. Futility. The fourth word is also written in two ways and pronounced in two ways. We say furore, furore. Three-syllable word, stress on the second syllable, raw, furore. The American spelling is the second one, which is furor, furor. In the American spelling, we put the stress on the second syllable, raw, say furor. But the British spelling is the first one, we say furore. Stress on the second syllable, raw, furore, furor. Furore or furor, it means the outburst of an anger or extreme excitement. That's called the furore or furor. The second list, fuselage. Fuselage, a three-syllable noun, stress on the first syllable, few. Fuselage, which means the body of an airplane, aircraft. That's called the fuselage. And then move on to fusillade. Fusillade, here the stress on the last syllable, lade. Say fusillade. And fusillade as a noun, it means rapid, quick gunfire. Fusillade. Fuselage, fusillade. And then move on to fugacious. Fugacious, a three-syllable adjective, stress on the second syllable, gay. Say fugacious. Fugacious, which means tending to disappear or fleeting, escaping. That's fugacious. The penultimate word is the noun frugivore. Frugivore. Frugivore, it's a three-syllable word, stress the first syllable, fru, long o, say frugivore, which means an animal that feeds on fruits. It's called the frugivore. Frugivore. The adjective is the last word, frugivorous. Frugivorous. Four syllables. Stress also on the first syllable, fru. Frugivorous. Now let's practice the voices: fuchsia, futile, futility, furore, furor, fuselage, fusillade, fugacious, frugivore, frugivorous, frugivorous, frugivore, fugacious, fusillade, fuselage, furor, furore, futility, futile, fuchsia. Thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye.